guys, it's Disneyland Kid. So sorry I've not uploaded in like a week. Really sorry. And the new schedule is going to be 2 videos per week. But today we're going to be talking about Marvel Land. And so we're going to start with, California Adventure has had a lot of different expansions and changes since the beginning when it was trash. First, we got the new Buena Vista Street and Carthway Circle Theater, and we lost the Golden Gate Bridge, which I loved. And then Cars Land came, and Pixar Pier, and all these great new expansions. And now it's time for the third, and probably the best, Marvel Land. I already think it's going to be one of the best just because it has Guardians of the Galaxy, one of my favorite rides. And they're building 3 Marvel Lands, one in Paris, one in Hong Kong, and one in California Adventure. And ours features Black Panther and Spiderman, but the first was Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, which debuted in 2017. And it's probably one of my favorite rides, or favorite, because now it has like 8 drops, and I don't really like haunted stuff, so. But Mission Breakout was only the first of, I'm pretty sure, 3 rides coming to Marvel Land, which would make it the most rides, I think, in an expansion land, just one land. But we are getting a Spider-Man ride as Phase 2, and Phase 3 is supposed to be an awesome Avengers roller coaster that's already coming to Paris, which I really hope we get, because California Adventure is in need of another roller coaster. So is Disneyland, though, but that's another topic. Now, I think last summer, Bugs Land closed in California Adventure to make way for Marvel Land, and you can see this is the plans for the Spider-Man ride. You can see the ride area is that little switchback section. That's how the ride's gonna go, which I don't really like that much. It looks a little bit too much like Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters or Midway Mania to me, which is what is rumored to be the kind of attraction that's going there. And I'm hoping it's visually stunning like they say, but I'm pretty sure they said that about the Ant-Man and the Wasp ride, which I wasn't very impressed with in Hong Kong either. But I could be wrong, and maybe it's like that ride, or maybe it's more like Harry Potter in Universal, with like cranes holding your vehicles, or like Peter Pan's Flight. And it could still be an interactive ride, kind of like Astro Blasters. And maybe they could use that swinging vehicle patent that Disney got a while ago. There's a lot of possibilities that we've not really explored, and I think to judge the ride just off these blueprints is a little bit forward. Now, I've been keeping myself updated on construction footage, and I found something pretty interesting that is starting to confirm my theory. Do you see that crane-looking thing? I actually don't think it's going to move. I think it's going to stay there, and I think it's going to hold like a billboard, because the whole theme of this building, the Spider-Man of the Spider-Man building, is going to be like a Stark warehouse in California. It makes sense if there's a billboard above. And I think it would be a great place for Disney to use their Spider-Man animatronic. A while ago, Disney blessed us with this awesome video from Walt Disney Imagineering of the Spider-Man animatronic. Well, they didn't really say it was Spider-Man. It's totally Spider-Man, though. It flies, and they showed the test phases and how he can flip and stuff. I mean, look at that last pose that he does right here. It's totally Spider-Man. But, I mean, right here. See, that's totally Spider-Man. he could launch off that billboard. They also just got a permit for $14 million worth of like a bathrooms and merchandise area that they're going to build in Marvel Land. So things are really moving forward, and scrims just went up on the buildings, so we know Spider-Man is coming. Quick update on construction at California Adventure. Emotional Whirlwind is being tested and walls are down, so we're getting pretty close to that as well.